Here at the Seniors Discount Club, we are committed to helping our members in all aspects of their daily lives. Whether that be saving money, keeping on top of the news, having a daily laugh, or even keeping on top of scams. We have been wanting to do online video courses on how to avoid scams for quite some time. We know a lot of our members have been victims of cruel scams, and we want to help educate you all on what you can look out for when it comes to a scam. Especially because nowadays, scams are getting so sophisticated that they are extremely difficult to pick up on. We thought what better way to start these online video courses than with a video about one of the biggest scams countless of our members have unfortunately fallen for, and that's Coupon65. Unfortunately, Coupon65 is a website that we are constantly mistaken for. Their name is Coupon65, which obviously doesn't sound anything like the Seniors Discount Club. However, they often advertise themselves online as Senior Discount, Coupon65. If you type Coupon65 or Senior Discounts by Coupon65 into a search engine like Google, you'll see this come up. For the sake of this video course, we chose to use Google as our search engine. However, you may use alternative search engines like Bing. Regardless of which search engine you choose to use for your daily browsing, this video will help you understand what you need to look for when it comes to scam websites like Coupon65. As you can see on Google, Coupon65 looks like a perfectly normal website, even ranking number 1 on the Google search engine page. If you take a look at these 3 pages Google recommends, you see the following. The first page shows you a lot of the senior discounts supposedly available in Australia. Upon first look, the page actually looks quite impressive. It addresses a lot of the topics seniors in Australia would be wanting to read about. This is of course intentional. If you take the time to even read the opening paragraphs on this page, you'll quickly find some spelling and grammatical errors. Looking out for these kinds of errors is a great way to spot whether a website, text message, email, etc. are legitimate or scams. Of course, as scams get more sophisticated, their spelling and grammar does improve. However, this certainly isn't the case for the Coupon65 website. In the first paragraph, Coupon65 says, "Always carry ID, so you can prove our age when asked." Of course, they mean your age, not our age. In the second paragraph, you'll see most stores out there does not offer any senior discounts. Of course, we all know the correct way to write this sentence would be most stores out there do not offer any senior discounts. If a website has poor spelling, grammar, or has sentences that simply do not make sense, then that should raise an immediate alarm. If you were going to spend your money at trusted retailers like David Jones, The Iconic, Woolworths, or Coles, we can guarantee you it would be very rare to come across any spelling and grammar errors on their website. And if you did, we bet it would not be riddled throughout the first 2 paragraphs on their website. Finally, we don't want to spend all our time picking apart the opening few paragraphs on this page, but if you do read the final line, most younger people really appreciates the good manners of old, so use this to your advantage. It really speaks for itself. Remember, before you trust a website, make sure you read what they have to say. If you skip these opening paragraphs and just scroll down, then you wouldn't even second-guess the so-called deals they have on offer. As you scroll on the page, you can see they've used the Australian flag and the title Government Concessions. This is again done intentionally. That's because most people have positive connotations or associate these things with trust and leadership. It's rare that you see the Australian flag and think scam. If you click the button Z Government Concessions, it takes you to an Australian Government 404 web page. This means it's a web page on the Australian government's website that doesn't even exist. A trusted provider of information or online retailers would be on top of this and would never let their website link to a page that doesn't exist. This is because it reflects poorly on them and makes them look like they are not on top of their own information and website functionality. Unfortunately, there's even more concerning details when you scroll down to the retail discounts part of the web page and see next to every retailer they have said Senior Card instead of Seniors Card. Sure, This is a minor spelling error that we are sure even we have made before, but it is important to keep an eye out for these things. If you went to your state or territory's Seniors Card website, you would see the spelling is Seniors Card. If you haven't joined the Seniors Discount Club yet, what are you waiting for? If you're over 60 and looking for ways to save money, connect with others, and have a laugh, we'd love to have you aboard. You can join anytime at seniorsdiscountclub.com.au.